The Tello Battery Charging Hub. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is a Tello Battery Charging Hub. If you want to extend the flight times for your Tello drones, this will come in very handy. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. The charging hub comes with an instructions manual. It uses a micro USB cable for charging, which does not come with the hub. This can charge 3 of the Tello batteries, which can take approximately 2 hours. The charger is made of plastic all around. You have the 3 slots for the batteries and an LED indicator for each one that will show the status. On the side is the port for the micro USB cable for charging. It comes in at just over 2 inches long, less than 2 inches wide, and about 1 inch in thickness. Charging is simple. Plug it in and then insert the batteries. A yellow LED light will indicate that the battery has been inserted and is ready to charge. Blinking green means it's charging, and a solid green means it's fully charged. Red lights will indicate a power supply error or battery error. The Tello Battery Charging Hub. This is an excellent accessory to have. It can increase your flight time for your Tello drone and extend your fun. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.